Just about every nation in the world, to some extent, admits immigrants. But there's something unique about America. We don't simply welcome new immigrants. We don't simply welcome new arrivals. We are born of immigrants. That is who we are.
Scripture tells us that we shall not oppress a stranger, for we know the heart of a stranger. We were strangers once too. My fellow Americans, we are and always will be a nation of immigrants. And whether our forebears were strangers who crossed the Atlantic, or the Pacific, or the Rio Grande, we are here only because this country welcomed them in and taught them that to be an American is about something more than what we look like, or what our last names are, or how we worship. What makes us Americans is our shared commitment to an ideal, that all of us are created equal, and all of us have the chance to make of our lives what we will. That's the tradition we must uphold. That's the legacy we must leave for those who are yet to come.
My fellow Americans, tonight I'd like to talk with you about immigration. For more than 200 years, our tradition of welcoming immigrants from around the world has given us a tremendous advantage over other nations. It's kept us youthful, dynamic, and entrepreneurial. It has shaped our character as a people with limitless possibilities. People not trapped by our past, but able to remake ourselves as we choose. But today, our immigration system is broken, and everybody knows it. I'll make it easier and faster for high-skilled immigrants, graduates, and entrepreneurs to stay and contribute to our economy, as so many business leaders have proposed.
Obama administration is now coming up with different strategy. This is where. Now we have definitely indicated many times to you guys that there is a chance that the priority date might be current, or they will allow the I-140 approved people to file the adjustment of status. In November of 2014, the Obama administration did announce that they want to make the things correct. They want to have the employees the independence to fly around. That is exactly what in November statement has given. Now, Senator Grassley also did commented a little bit on that, which he has more information. He is the Judiciary Committee Chairman in charge of the immigration and naturalization. Now, he did comment negatively on both these events, on the STEM extension and also the people allowing it to file the adjustment of status before the priority date is correct. They could have done increase the number of green cards by telling that we don't count the family members, because if you look into the reading of the INA, maybe they can change that reading by amending those things. They just bypassed everything and went into this one. Of course, we will suggest our client, and when we speak with the employees, I don't speak like this, but I mean, we keep telling them to file a green card. You have to understand that once an employment authorization is given, it is tough to take it back. And that's what exactly happened before, where they have given the employment authorization to the undocumented kids. These kids went and they spoke in the churches. The result of it is that Democrats win with 5 million votes.
So how many of you feel really threatened, of course? So we have 2 cases to file, right? One is H-1B amendment issues. Right now I am facing day to day. Consultant cannot report, so it's taking 10 to 2 weeks. H-1B amendment is
available right now to go to work.
Can't go to the
You
work.
cannot go just because you don't have.
So the second one is this one. So this one is again, it's going to be fatal in terms of for the industry. So the people will be moving. AC-21 anybody can file, and in 6 months is gone. So the total employment period is coming down to 1 year instead of 5 years for us. So the total cost we need to recoup within 1 year. So that's going to be devastating for us. Probably, that's we have valid case.